Please give us a short introduction to AT&S.
AT&S is one of the global leading IC substrate and printed circuit board manufacturers. We are headquartered in Austria. We have 6 locations globally, employ more than 10,000 people, and generate a revenue stream of above 1 billion euro.
And what is special about your HDI circuit boards, and what applications are they particularly suitable?
I think we should start answering this question with describing a little bit the business setup of AT&S. So AT&S is one of the global technology leaders in the industry. So we are focusing very much on the high-end technologies in the printed circuit board business and in the IC substrate area. By doing that, we have been able to connect with a lot of blue chip customers worldwide. These are the innovation leaders in the industry, and we are very much cooperating with them on new technologies, joint development activities, and providing new solutions to them. So the specialty of AT&S is creating a long-lasting business relationship with these blue chip customers, providing solutions, not just doing manufacturing, and also having an outstanding knowledge about processes, quality, performance, and reliability of products.
And so can you tell us a little bit about the applications that you're offering the circuit boards for?
Yeah, we are addressing quite a big number, widespread of different market segments. So we call it the one market segment is the CCC, the consumer communication computer area. We have the semicon industry in our customer portfolio. We have automotive and industrial electronics and medical applications. So it's a wide span of different applications that enable us to balance between the different industries. On the one hand side, the technology we are using and reusing in others, developing in the one area and reuse it in other areas, and also be able to also balance a bit better if we have, or if you're facing some demand fluctuations.
And how does that diversity you've referred to benefit you in the current economic situation?
We see it in the situation like we're in today. We have also in our first quarter results shown that the volatility is quite high. The demand, especially in automotive, industrial electronics, is a little bit lower in the given situation, but we can compensate, for example, with our exposure in the IC substrate business, which is a very strong business in the given environment.
Why is AT&S investing up to 1 billion euros in IC substrate production?
So if you have a closer look at the market development, you can easily see that IC substrates is the biggest growth opportunity in the market. This is driven by all these strong trends of artificial intelligence, digitalization, IoT, autonomous driving, whatever. In all these applications, you need very powerful microprocessors and computing. AT&S has entered the market of IC substrate some years ago, and now we are on the spot to take up the advantage of growth in the high-end technology area.
That's great. And has your expansion program been set back at all by the coronavirus pandemic?
In the beginning of the calendar year 2020, we have experienced some challenges out of the COVID situation. So we clearly had to temporarily close down the construction place. But so far we could already catch up some of the delays. It was a 6 weeks delay we had to work with. And we see good opportunities to pull in more and even be before our scheduled time operative and coming to high volume production in 2023.
And finally, why is AT&S investing to become a module integration services provider?
This is the story about IP-driven business. So coming from a production service provider, moving into the level of interconnect solution provider, which we are already there, having technologies and products out of the printed circuit board business, out of the IC substrate business, combining them with the need of higher integration levels. We are very convinced that we can bring a lot of additional value to the market by using our technology toolboxes, combining them with additional, more innovative solutions and providing the customers higher integrated modules in an electronics environment that is eager to get more miniaturized, higher powered solutions.
Thank you, that's very helpful.